Have a nice morning. Good morning. Okay. So we will start today's problem. Okay. Yesterday we solved some problem. That additional some problem we will do. Right. If root 2 is equal to 1.414, find 1 by root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1.414, find 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 you can multiply numerator and denominator with root 2. So it is what? Root 2 by 2. What is the root 2 value? 1.414 by 2. How to divide 1.4 on 0.7, then 107. So what is answer? 0.707. Now, next question. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Root 2 is equal to 1.414. Find 1 by root 3 plus root 2. So here 1 by root 3 plus root 2 means what is the rationalization factor? So multiply root 3 minus root 2 numerator and denominator. So root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 squared minus root 2 squared. So what is the value of root 3? 1.732 minus 1.414 by 3 minus 2. Now you subtract and simplify. What is the answer? 318. Okay. Next question. Simplify 1 by 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus etc. Root 8 plus root 9. First 1 by 1 plus root 2. So 1 into 1 minus root 2 by 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2. So 1 into 1 minus root 2 is 1 minus root 2 by 1 squared minus root 2 squared. So 1 minus root 2 by 1 minus 2. That is 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. With the effect of this minus, this will be what? Root 2 minus 1. Similarly, 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Multiply with root 2 minus root 3. So root 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 3. Root 2 minus root 3 by minus 1. This will be what? Root 3 minus root 2. Write down. ഇതിന്റെ മീനിങ് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇതിന്റെ minus of root 2 minus root minus 1 താഴെ ഉള്ളപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താ minus of root 2 minus root 3 എന്നാണ്. അതാണ് എന്തായിട്ട് മാറുക മൈനസ് കൊണ്ട് അകത്തോട്ട് ഗുണിക്കുമ്പോൾ minus root 2 plus root 3 that becomes root 3 minus root 2. അപ്പൊ 1 by 1 plus root 2 എന്താ വന്നേക്കുന്നത് root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3 എങ്ങനെ വന്നു root 3 minus root 2. അടുത്ത എന്താ 1 by root 3 plus root 4 അല്ലേ അതിനെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം root 4 minus root 3 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അടുത്തത് root 5 minus root 4. അടുത്തത് root 6 minus root 5. അടുത്തത് root 7 minus root 6. അടുത്തത് root 8 minus root 7. Next root 9 minus root 8. Minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel. No need to do all the problem, all the step. Root 4 minus root 4 cancel. Root 5 cancel. Root 6 minus root 6 cancel. Root 7 minus root 7 cancel. Root 8 minus root 8 cancel. So what is the answer? Minus 1 plus root 9. That is minus 1 plus 3. What is answer? 2. Laws of exponent. Right. Laws of exponent. What is a raised to m into a raised to n? A raised to m plus n. What is a raised to m divided by a raised to n? A raised to m minus n. Provided one condition is there, m is greater than n. Otherwise, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to what? 1 by a raised to n minus m. If m less than n. Now, a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to what? Sorry, a raised to m. This is n minus m. Sorry. A raised to mn. A raised to mn. Write all this. Now, a raised to x, b raised to y, c raised to z the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to mx, b raised to ym, c raised to zm. And next one is positive exponent. A raised to minus n is 1 by a raised to n. Or 1 by a raised to minus n is what? A raised to n. Next, nth root of a. Nth root of a is a raised to 1 by n. Similarly, square root of a. Square root of a means a raised to 1 by 2. The same way, cube root of a. Cube root of a is what? A raised to 1 by 3. And our last one is a raised to 0. A raised to 0 is what of 1. This is cube root of a. This is cube root of a. Cube root of a is a raised to 1 by 3. A raised to 0, 1. This square root of a means actually this 2 is understood only. So no need to write 2. But cube root of a means you have to write 3 there. Is equal to a raised to. That is positive exponent. 1 by a raised to minus n. അത് മേളോട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ a raised to n ആയി മാറും. Nth root of a. Nth root of a is a raised to 1 by n. Square root of a. Square root this 2 is no needed. Square root of a is a raised to 1 by 2. Cube root of a raised to 1 by 3. A raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Next. Evaluate (64 raised to 1 by 2). Evaluate 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 how to write? 8 squared raised to 1 by 2. So 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. That is 8 raised to 1. What is 8 raised to 1? 8. Is it clear? Lateral students, actually I am taking for you only this second time I am teaching our children. Second or third time. Alle? Why Srinanda and the late either Sayaneo? Lara Sayana Saniaya. Why you are late? 2 raised to 1 by 5. 32 how to write? 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. So that is 2 raised to 1. What is 2 raised to 1? 2. 125 raised to 1 by 3. 125 you can write it as 5 cube raised to 1 by 3. So that is 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. That is 5 raised to 1. What is 5 raised to 1? 5. 9 raised to 3 by 2. How to write 9? 3 squared raised to 3 by 2. So 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. That is 3 cube. 3 cube is what? 27. Next. 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 is 2 raised to 5. The whole raised to 2 by 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel. So 2 raised to 1 into 2. 2 raised to 1 into 2 is 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is what? 4. Hmm? They. No. Hello. Do you want to say something? Next. 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 you can write it as 2 raised to 4. The whole raised to 3 by 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. That is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Complete time. Next. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. This is the form a raised to m into a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 15 upon LCM. Here already 3 is there. So multiply with the 5. 5 into 2, 10. Here already 5 is there, so multiply with 3. So 2 raised to 13 by 50. 11 raised to 1 by 2 by 11 raised to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 LCM. Here 2 minus 1. 11 raised to 1 by 4.